Hey all, this video is about inertia and inertia challenges. Let's define the term inertia. Inertia can be defined as resistance to change in its velocity or motion. In another way, all object has its mass. Due to their mass, they resist moving from its position. Means this is an object with some mass. To make this object to move from its rest position, I have to apply some force. So, if more mass means I have to apply more force to make it move, because more mass, more resist. It resists to move. That is, it tries to stop moving because of its mass. So to overcome that, we have to apply more force to make this object to move. If we take a lighter object, it has mass but very less when compared with previous book. So need very less force to make it move. Anyway, it has mass but less mass, less resistance to move, so less force needed. Hope you are getting something. So here one coin and one card, placing it upon this, and I am going to remove this card. So this coin won't move along with the card because of its mass. Because of mass, it resists moving. Let's see what happens. See, coin is on my hand. So that is inertia. Inertia is the resistance to change in its motion or velocity. It mainly depends on its mass. Mass is the main factor which affects inertia. In our everyday life, we could see that huge big ships, to make it to move, it take time. We can't make it move very quickly because of its huge mass. Once it start moving, it will be very challenging to stop it. So slowly they will reduce its speed and they bring it to stop. So mass more, resistance more, inertia more. So we need more force. This law of inertia is otherwise called as Newton's first law of motion. Hope you got it, something about inertia. Let me conclude with the definition. Inertia is the resistance to change in its motion or velocity. If more mass, more inertia. So here I have included some of the challenges we can try at home or we can do with our friends. Please try this at home and learn through your experience. So first challenge is with a glass, a card and a coin. Ask your friends to put this coin into the glass without touching that coin. After they respond, you can show them. That's it. Second challenge is same setup, but now we are placing more coins upon it. So this time you have to apply more force than before because more coins are there. More coins means more mass. More mass means more resistance to move. So to remove this card, we have to apply more force. Here comes. Another challenge is just placing some object upon this paper and just trying this. Because of its mass, it resists moving. We can observe. You can try with so many other objects or materials. See, with water, you can feel little easy, but without water, it has some changes because less mass, less resistance to change in motion. So easily it gets disturbed. But heavy things, not much. Like that book, more mass, but more force needed. If you apply less force, you see. So more mass, more inertia, so more force needed. So with the coin, so you can try at home with the other materials also. Our final challenge is really interesting. Everyone can try and share with your friends with a water bottle, one card, and I have taken so many coins, and we have to place it and ask your friends to remove this card without disturbing this coin and this bottle. It will be really a challenge and you all can try. If first time fails, it's okay. You keep trying, finally you can do it. So I am going to place it on a table and I will show you in a slow motion and you can try this at home. Let's start. Hope you all enjoyed these challenges and you got some knowledge about inertia. Please try this at home and learn through your experience. Thank you.